Dear friends, I am tour guide in English and Norwegian, working mainly in the Aegean part of Turkey, and today we are at the necropolis of Hierapolis, the ancient site, very close to the Travertines, or just nearby the Travertines of Pamukkale. And here we can show another example of a house-like grave, and actually this is a grave house dedicated to the gladiators. How can we understand that? You can see on the slab over the entrance an amphora on the left hand side, first to the left, which was given as a gift to the victor of the combat, and in the middle you have the trident which the gladiators were using, and thirdly on the right hand side you can see the circular shield which the gladiators use to protect themselves. So this is a grave for a set of gladiators. Thanks.